self-service. Because my English is separated and assorted. You will adjust my answer, okay?
Kayo na ang mag-adjust, di ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Kung hindi kayo makapag-adjust, get well soon sa inyong lahat.
Well, but if you're not that fluent in English, you can answer in Filipino.
Pardon, wow.
Pardon. Pardon. Pardon.
Okay na kaya. Okay. Ayan, total ready na siya
Okay,
sa
are you ready for your
passport
hashtag?
Yes, I'm ready my hashtag, but my answer is not ready. Okay.
Ang importante dyan ay nandito ka ngayon at talagang napapasaya mo ang mga
Yes! Masaya ba kayo? Kumatos kayo mamaya.
Okay. Let's look at your hashtag spinning roulette. Ayan.
One hashtag left.
5.
And that's number 5. And hashtag number 5 is hashtag acceptance. Hashtag acceptance. Miss Catering, you have 60
everyone,
seconds.
before answer the question, please shut down your mouth. Yes, my question is acceptance. You know what? Acceptance is very important to many people, internal and other citizen. Yes, just like me. My mother is accept me being a lady dog, a part of LGBTHIU.
Ayo.
Yes. And I am proud and I am accept myself being a construction worker almost 10 years. That's why I will accept myself. Because being a board member of my family, I need to provide